So today I'm gonna pick grapes for everyone. Well, we just have to pick grapes because they're delicious, and I'm gonna tell them how to pick it. And they're his favorite and real good. You just pick them off the grapes. They're so good. You love grapes. They taste so good. You just put them in there. It tastes so good. We got it from the Piggly Wiggly. And I'm sorry about that. I just gotta check my head. And like I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a terrible eater. And can you sponsor this video because one of my my died yesterday, so please sponsor this video. Can I pour? Can you give me a pour? Please help me. Please. These grapes are so delicious. They are so good. You keep on picking them and picking them until you're done. No, this is good. So delicious. And bye. Thank you.
Hello, this is Austin here, and I am going to make a watermelon smoothie. First, add the watermelon. Then we add the ice. And then we add 4 drops of lime. And then 1 cup of milk. And then we put on the lid. Then we put it on the blender. And then we tap smoothie. One over. Yeah. Take off the cap, whatever thing is. Take off the lid. And then we pour it into the cup. Excellent.